Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kaspa video. I hope you're all doing great. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. I really do appreciate it. So let's dive into Kaspa. Kaspa is a little bit boring lately in the sense of the price action, but that means it is a really good time to accumulate more Kaspa, in my opinion at least. Not financial advice, of course. So currently Kaspa is sitting around 10 cents. The market cap is around $2.2 billion with a low volume of around 11 million. And if you take a look at the 7-day chart, let's see. Yeah, it's still on a downtrend, but sideways price action for the last couple of days. The volume is low, so in my opinion, the next move, Kaspa's next move will be really big in my opinion, and it could be in a positive way, but can also be in a negative way in regards to price action. But I believe the highest probability is that it will be a positive price action change, so that we are going to see a breakout. Why is that? Let me show you the next thing. So if we take a look at the TA side of Kaspa, we actually can see a falling wedge pattern, and if you look closely, the downtrend started over here and we are still in a downtrend, as you can see. The channel is getting more narrow, and we are going to get a breakdown or a breakout in the following days or weeks. Most of the times this falling wedge pattern is a bullish pattern, so most of the times the price will break out to the upside, and we're probably going to see like a movement like this. We're going to retest this support level and we're going to fly up. And if we break out to the upside, I will expect that we're going to retest the all-time highs. And if we can break that, we're going in price discovery mode. That would be amazing, of course. So from the pure technical side, this is a bullish pattern, and it is a matter of time that we're going to see a breakout or a breakdown. Of course, the technical side is one thing. There is also fundamentals. So first we have the fundamentals of Kaspa. So if we get good news in a fundamental way, like a T1 listing on Binance, for example, we will break out immediately and we blast through all these resistance zones. And I think personally we're going to retest an all-time high very fast. So in that case, again, we will see a breakout. But for example, other fundamental changes in regards to Bitcoin, for example. So if you take a look at the Bitcoin chart and say, for example, that we're going to the downside and we're going to retest the 41K support level. And if we break that, we're going to retest the 38K level. There is a possibility in that case that this falling wedge will have a breakdown because of the fundamentals in the crypto market. That's nothing to do with Kaspa. That's nothing to do with Kaspa in the long term in regards to the price action, but that is how the crypto space works. But in the end, I expect a big move to the upside or the downside, but in my opinion, the highest probability is that we're going to see a move to the upside. So that is the thing I wanted to show you. For now, today we are retesting the 10 cent psychological support level. You can see really small candles, the volume is getting lower, and I expect a high volume when we are going to break out or we're going to see a breakdown. In the end, we have to wait and see. Personally, it's not financial advice, of course. I think the price right now is a great entry or a great DCA zone to buy more Kaspa. Of course, there is a possibility that we're going to see a breakdown, but in my opinion, it's more a higher chance that we're going to see way higher prices than the prices we are seeing right now. So starting DCAing right now is, in my opinion, a good idea. So that is the thing I wanted to share with you. If we take a look at the Kaspa Twitter page, I think it was really cool. Here is a grocery store in Morocco. That guy is accepting Kaspa. It's really cool. So we see adoption in in a sense of a peer-to-peer currency, because that's why Kaspa is developed in the first place. So that's really cool to see. Furthermore, if we take a look at some other metrics, the hash rate is around 170 petahashes, so it's an increasement in comparison to the last couple of weeks. So I think that is a really bullish sign for Kaspa. We also see some accumulation going on in the last 24 hours, a lot of crabs, but also a lot of fish and dolphins and even a couple of sharks. So bullish in that sense. The top 10 addresses, we all know that there are some changes, but nothing significant in my opinion, so we don't have to take a look at that. We are still waiting to a confirmation in the sense of the number one is that indeed a KuCoin wallet. We don't know for sure. We don't know for sure if Binance has a wallet and what the wallet actually is, so we can check it if they are accumulating or not. So nothing significant over there. So guys, I think we need to prepare for a big move, either in to the upside or the downside. But in my opinion, the biggest chance is that it will be to the upside. And I think this is the calm before the storm. So that is really awesome. All right, last but not least, I started the Patron. We have a couple of members in there. We have quality conversations. So if you are a serious crypto investor or want to become one and you want to surround yourself with like-minded people, then the Crypto Quantum Club is for you and you are welcome to join. It's only $27 per month. It's really cheap. I don't do upsells. I don't sell expensive courses. Everything I know I share with you in a not financial way, of course. So if you like it, you're happy to join. For now, I hope this video gave you some value. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. If you have any questions in regards to Kaspa or something else, just comment down below and I'm happy to answer them. All right, have a great day. Crypto T out.